What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the first derivative and second derivative of x squared plus y squared equals to 1. I need to use implicit differentiation. So let's start with the first derivative. So it's going to be the derivative of x squared with respect to x plus the derivative of y squared with respect to x equals to the derivative of 1 with respect to x. That's going to be 2x plus 2y dy over dx equals to derivative of 1 with respect to x is 0. So it's going to be d2y dy over dx equals to negative 2x. So dy over dx is going to be negative 2x over 2y equals to negative x over y. Second derivative will be derivative of x, negative x is going to be negative 1 times y minus negative x times derivative of y, which is going to be dy over dx over y squared. So we have negative y plus x dy over dx over y squared. That's going to be negative y plus x times negative x over y squared. So we have negative y plus negative x squared over y divided by y squared. So that's going to be negative y squared minus x squared divided by y cubed, because I multiplied the numerator and denominator by y in order to get rid of this denominator. So this is going to be the second derivative of this expression. So that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.